I am Robert Quansah, and I work for ECE Education, which is an organization aimed at helping children succeed by giving them the best possible early education. I was pleased to be invited to join the technical working group for ECE, and I was really excited right from the beginning about the different people with different experiences and expertise that were brought on board to help develop the ECE policy for Ghana. As a member of the group, my focus area was Action Area 2, which is curriculum development and implementation. And I was particularly interested in this area because as part of my work at ECE, I help teachers to effectively implement the kindergarten curriculum. In addition to this, I was also part of developing the standard-based curriculum for kindergarten and then the B.Ed curriculum for training ECE teachers in Ghana. So I had gathered some experiences that were very relevant for this action area. The whole process of developing the ECE policy was a very collaborative one with different stakeholders engaged at different stages in the process. For instance, draft versions of the policy were shared with selected stakeholders, including the management of the Ghana Education Service for inputs. And once these inputs were incorporated, the technical working group further shared the draft policy with a wider stakeholder audience for validation. The validation workshops brought together stakeholders from both the private and public sector to also make inputs into the policy development process. And one of the things that was really interesting was that the different stakeholders who attended the different validation workshops all shared very similar expectations for ECE in Ghana, and these expectations aligned very well with what the technical working group had also put into the ECE policy. So that was really a sign of consensus amongst stakeholders across the country. I personally learned a lot working with the technical working group and also being part of other belt-related activities. The rich experiences and expertise of different members in the team, for instance, helped me appreciate different perspectives as far as ECE delivery is concerned. And to build my capacity to be able to effectively contribute in the process, I participated in the MOOC on integrating ECE into education sector plans. And this was a really useful learning opportunity for me because it helped broaden my knowledge on a wide range of issues as far as ECE is concerned. One of the areas that I was particularly interested in is the session on the education sector planning cycle and ways ECE could be integrated into different aspects of the plan cycle. And I believe this would help me to be able to contribute even more in future to any work in the ECE subsector. ECE is indeed the foundation, and as the foundation, it needs all the investments that it can get to ensure that its long-lasting impact on life and later learning are realized. So I want to urge all stakeholders to play their roles in providing an equitable and quality ECE for all our youngest learners.